Banyak bule kaget saat pertama masuk mall di Indonesia. Bukan cuma besar, tapi megah seperti kota di dalam gedung. Di Mall Indonesia, kamu bisa belanja, makan, nonton, main ice skating, bahkan lihat kapal raksasa. Desainnya mewah, bersih, dan super modern. Di negara mereka, banyak mall mulai sepi. Tapi di Indonesia, mall justru ramai dan hidup. Bule ini awalnya mengira mall di Indonesia hanya besar saja. Tapi begitu melihat ada lapangan es di dalam mall, dia langsung kaget ternyata terdapat arena ice skating di dalamnya. Yang lebih mengejutkan lagi, di negaranya sendiri justru tidak ada fasilitas seperti ini. Di negara tropis seperti Indonesia, malah bisa main es di dalam mall. Lihatlah abang bule ini. Saat masuk ke mall di Indonesia, untuk pertama kalinya seumur hidup, ia melihat pohon Natal raksasa berdiri megah di dalam mall. Ia benar-benar terpukau, bahkan tak menyangka dekorasi bisa sebesar dan semewah ini.
Wow, it's huge. Guys, this has got to be one of the most grand mall entrances I've been in a while. As you come in, you're not expecting too much, and then suddenly you're just met by this huge. Look at the size of this Christmas tree. Oh my god, that is the biggest Christmas tree I've ever seen. The Christmas tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 5 floors tall. It's the biggest Christmas tree I've ever seen.
I think it is.
What? I thought Bandung was good for shopping, and now we're in Jogja. This is like mall is huge, and the Christmas tree is just unbelievable.
Abang dari Singapura ini tak menyangka mall di Indonesia sebesar ini. Ia terus berjalan, tapi justru makin bingung. Sampai akhirnya sadar kalau dirinya sudah nyasar di dalam mall.
I thought the malls in Singapore were confusing, but the malls in Indonesia are even more confusing. I'm in Plaza Indonesia trying to find Loe Way, but there seems to be no way. Look how huge Plaza Indonesia is. Oh my god. And how grand it is. You walk into Plaza Indonesia, you come out of Plaza Indonesia like a gila babi. I've been walking around in circles. At this point, I don't know which is more confusing, Plaza Indonesia or my sexuality.
Dua bule ini benar-benar terkejut saat masuk ke Mall Indonesia. Di dalamnya ada kapal, raksasa, dan restoran di mana-mana. Saking kagumnya, mereka sampai membandingkan mall ini dengan mall-mall di negara lain dan mengakui yang satu ini jauh lebih gila.
Yo, there's a boat in the mall, guys. And a lighthouse. Sorry to forget that. Oh my god. This is a really fancy mall, guys. And I think this district we landed here and shows how developed Jakarta is. It reminds me a little bit of Singapore, to be honest. This looks very epic here. So really quite massive shopping center. This mall is so high, I cannot even look up. Yeah, it's wow, guys. Anxiety. Oh. The best thing I have to say, the malls and the restaurants in the malls are full. I have the feeling in other Southeast Asian countries, it's like really the locals can't afford all this. Restaurants are full of locals, not full of tourists like us, and that's nice to see. Because in Bangkok and Manila, it's always just that foreigners are in these restaurants, and the malls are fairly empty. But here you can see that the majority of people are actually Indonesians, and that's how it should be. Wow, guys, Lamborghini store. That's amazing. I never saw a Lamborghini store in the mall.
Ada juga mall di Indonesia yang langsung terhubung ke hotel, bahkan punya taman bermain di area hotelnya. Abang bule ini bener kaget sekaligus senang. Saking lengkap dan nyamannya, dia sampai betah berlama di Mall Indonesia.
This is the best mall I've seen so far in Jakarta. You don't hear much about Jakarta, but Central Park Mall is crazy. The size of this mall is massive. It does look stunning. Children's play area right here as well. You don't hear much about Jakarta, let alone this mall. Looks like everyone's chilling out here. Got the music on. The ambience in this place is nice. Pullman hotel, some sort of hotel over there. It looks like KL is not the only place with a strong mall game. Ooh, Caterpillar Bridge thing, walkway going all the way around the mall. No way. They've got a roller coaster going through the mall. This is probably the second time I've seen this being done. Just outside the mall, I found this spot called Butterbean. I mean, look at the place. Crazy. I ain't seen nothing like it. Got myself a little oolong tea. See how it is. So it looks like they've got a climbing gym down there. Cool bridge that connects to another mall, I think, which is quite cool.
Bule wanita dari Australia ini akhirnya sadar kenapa mall di Australia terlihat biasa saja bagi orang lokal. Bukan karena tidak bagus, tapi justru karena mall di Indonesia sudah terlalu megah dan luar biasa hingga dianggap hal yang normal oleh masyarakatnya.
I finally understand why Asians fully shit on Australian shopping malls because I'm in Indonesia right now and look at this. Yo, this is crazy. And I've been like walking for hours and I haven't even made it to the other side, let alone some of the other levels. Like, Jakarta is insane.
Walaupun bule yang satu ini sudah lama tinggal di Indonesia dan bahkan menikah dengan wanita Indonesia, sampai sekarang dia masih tetap kagum dengan besarnya mall-mall di sini. Menurutnya, skalanya benar-benar luar biasa dan sulit ditandingi.
Fam, mall di Amerika jauh lebih kecil dan gak ramai kayak mall di Indonesia. Lihat. Benar kan? Jauh lebih kecil.
Sepasang kekasih bule ini menghabiskan waktu di dalam mall. Bukan sekadar berbelanja, tapi seperti sedang menjelajahi kota kecil di dalam gedung raksasa. Dari restoran ke restoran, dari lantai ke lantai, hingga tertawa. Bagi mereka, mall ini bukan hanya tempat belanja, tapi tempat terciptanya kenangan.
So I asked a local Jakartian what he would recommend for young people to do in Jakarta, and we're checking out one of the places that he suggested today.
This is
In Pondok Indah Mall.
right here. Got a Sephora, a Fred Perry, Oi Oi, and a Maximus Dutty.
Maximus of Dacia.
I like how shiny it is. Huh?
Oh my god. The fucking Hello Kitty collection. Oh my god, look at that one. That one's so cute. So there are two sides to the mall. We went to Indah Mall 2 first. Now we're going to one. But they have like a bunch of fun stores. We're detouring because it says street gallery. Yeah, there is a water park here.
What?
I don't know why we didn't bother bringing swimming costumes. That would have been so fun. We're going to Kebabs. Heard a lot about this place. There's quite a few around the city and they look really good. Cheese.
Could I also get a triple cheese, please?
Yeah, nice. Thank you very much.